Are you struggling to improve your English fluency? Or do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Hello, this is Neha, and in this video, I'm just going to be share a powerful tip that's going to be help you to achieve your goals. It's all about the self-talk. It simply means you have to be talk to yourself. It's that you can talk about something, it could be your activities, and you can describe anything in your room. And if you are going somewhere, you can describe. You just have to be talk to yourself. And topic can be come into your mind automatically, but first of all you have to be think about that I have to be talk to myself every day, and it could be like the 4 or 5 minutes you can start with. But now, because it comes to be how you can talk to yourself, because it becomes we never talk to ourselves, so how we are just going to be start. So it will be like you just have to be talk to yourself when you are looking at the mirror. And even if you are not comfortable in that way, then you can start talking to yourself. Like suppose you are sitting somewhere and you are alone and there is no one around you, then you can start talking to yourself, okay, how I'm feeling. Even you can talk about your feelings, your emotions, your desires, your goals. There are a lot of things, there are a lot of topics you can talk about. And now I know that it's not going to be comfortable at essential phase, but now if you are just going to be follow it by like gradually, you will become so comfortable with yourself. You are just going to be talk to yourself, and it will be fun. You are not going to be say, okay, I'm feeling boring or something like that, because you will feel, yeah, it's just going to be like a fun. It's just going to be I'm becoming my best friend. I can share anything with myself. I don't need to anyone where I have to be go. I'm just going to be talk to them and I have to be say what's going on in my life. There's even no need to do that. You just have to be talk to yourself in English, and just try to use different kind of vocabulary. Just try to use grammar structure what you have learned so far. There's no need to worry about, okay, I'm not finding that what kind of vocabulary I have to be used, because I'm talking about my activities, I'm talking about my emotions, or my desires, my goals. So I will say that you don't have to be, don't worry, you don't worry about that one. You can use whatever you have learned so far.